the victory. Let's see. You have one better for me. Hey y'all, I know I'm late. I'm so late. I'm fine. Hey y'all, I'm not gonna be up here long. Well, I gotta work in the morning, but I did want to come up here like I promised yesterday and do this unboxing for you guys. I'm kind of waiting until some of my peoples get in here and I see them in the comments. Yeah, I've got used to the time change, but I still need to get in the bed. Yeah, he was just asleep, but then he woke back up, but he'll be back to sleep soon. He's over there in the bed. I'm waiting for like my mods to come in here and stuff because Elijah, you know better. Where's my thing? I need my phone. My other phone. Hold on, y'all. One. Lay down. Lay down, little boy.
I'm not tired.
Well, you should be. You took that little cat nap in the car. You still need to go to sleep. You got school in the morning.
I'm not tired.
Come on, let's see.
Hey, Jazz. I'm looking for Renee and I'm looking for Dimples. I'm about to do this unboxing, so here's all the boxes right here. I know it. We got a real late start to our day today. And I'm literally just now getting back here. I vlogged and everything today. Elijah was asleep. I don't know what happened. My mom's in the background too. She wanted to stay and watch me open the stuff, but I'm waiting for the other mods to come in here so they don't miss anything. Hold on. Yes, I had a good day. I vlogged. I did 2 videos today, so those will be going up on YouTube soon. What else did I do today? I didn't get a chance to vote, y'all. I didn't make it to vote. The polls ended up closing before we could get there.
This is like a house.
I did buy me a coat today. Because I've been needing a coat, but I haven't been able to find anything affordable. So I went to my YouTube is in my bio. It's Tiana J and Elijah King. But I bought me a coat today from Burlington Coat Factory, and this the only affordable coat I could find. I'm about to show y'all it. Elijah, lay down. Good night. You got school in the morning, and I don't want to hear you. I'm tired. I'm this. I'm that in the morning. Night night. So this is the coat that I got today.
No.
It's a Nautica. I'll just try it on for y'all. So this is how this one fit. Y'all like it? That's nice. Y'all, this coat was $72. And I needed it. I don't have no coat, y'all. I've been wearing this. I've been wearing this Nike hoodie. And y'all, it's brick. It's brick outside. Need more space for a sweater. Nope, this fit perfect. I don't need a sweater. This fit perfect. So I'm glad I was able to find it. It was affordable. Because everything else I've been looking at was really expensive. Thank you. Yeah, we ain't gonna talk about how much your coat costs, Mom. Hold on.
Let's read it. What does it say?
Baby go to school.
To school.
To school. The David attendance.
David goes to school.
David attendance. Not bad.
Elijah goes to school too, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Sit down.
you do that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's no Santa Claus close to us.
David's teacher always said, "No, David, no yelling, no pushing, no running in the hall."
In the hallway.
Yeah, I'm about to open the stuff now, y'all.
David, you're tardy.
So should we do... Okay, hold on. Should we do the big one first or the smaller ones?
Sit down, David.
Sit down, David.
Thank you. Big one or the smaller one?
Don't chew gum in class.
I have no gum in my mouth.
The smaller ones?
David,
Small to big?
you're-
Okay, small to big. Small to big. Small first. Okay.
Keep your hand to yourself.
All right.
I just did.
Pay attention. Wait your turn, David. See David trying to cut the line. David needs to get in line. Right?
Whew. Y'all don't know why I'm so nervous to open this stuff up. Okay.
David,
Wait, we gotta wait, y'all. We gotta wait.
why?
No playground. No playground.
We gotta wait. My mom, she says she's trying to finish up something.
Recess is over.
No waiting.
Remember I always tell you,
Y'all want me to wait for her? They said open it.
right?
Open? All right. All right. When she come in, she come in. I don't want to have y'all waiting no more. Okay.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Tell her to hurry. I waited all day. Yeah, these people are amazing. Everybody that sent stuff are amazing. When I tell you I was not expecting to see this when I went to go pick the stuff up. Crazy. All right, we're about to open it, y'all. Whew. All right. By the way, this is me and Elijah's his Christmas wish list and our apartment wish list. So So this one says, enjoy your gift from Judy Skakes. Y'all, he looking. He looking. Go, Mom, what is he
You
doing?
getting a book. Go get another book here.
Y'all, he's...
Well, is that a puppet?
No.
Where's the puppet?
There's no puppets.
Hey,
That's why you're supposed to be asleep.
get a book.
Y'all. I know that's why. Because he was asleep when we got here.
Which one is this?
This one is David.
Hold on.
This one you gotta
Hold
read to
on.
me, right? Yeah, come on, read.
Yeah, like, go to bed. It's mad late. Then
Stop.
he gonna be...
Read the book.
So these are puppets.
By David Shannon.
These are for Christmas.
David, no.
I gotta hide it.
No, David.
Yeah, he's slick.
No, David.
Okay, I hid it.
No,
That's not what it says.
no.
Something else for Elijah.
What's his name?
No.
It says, just wanted you and Elijah to both have a great holiday. Take care. From Kristen. Thank you, Kristen.
That's why I had to tell you, come back here, Elijah.
So he got this little Spider-Man action figure toy.
Elijah.
No.
No running, Elijah.
Yes, running.
No, Elijah, no.
Yes, Elijah, yes.
Next one.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm hiding it. I'm hiding it.
David, be
Quiet.
That's what we always tell Elijah, right?
Yes.
Stop yelling.
What
That's what I'm
It says, a gift for you. They didn't leave a name.
No.
Elijah, you need to bring your voice down.
He's so loud for no reason.
So whoever bought me this, thank you so much. This is 3-minute positivity journal. And it's like a guided journal.
That's enough for you.
What does it say?
Go to your room.
Oh, okay.
Settle down.
That's what I be telling you. Settle down.
So thank you so much. Whoever sent this, they didn't leave a name. So I just want to say thank you. Definitely gonna put this to good use.
Yeah, he's
Settle
jumping.
down. Yeah, he just jumping around.
You're like me.
Yeah.
Girl, you and me both. I love journals.
This is natural.
We have to away.
No.
Yes.
Listen, put your toys away.
What are you throwing away? What's the sound? Not in the house, David. I said no, David. Come here. Yeah,
Oh my goodness. Y'all.
I will.
This is the robe that I put up there. I always wanted a robe. And now I got one. Oh my god. And it's purple, my favorite color. Hold on, let me see if they left a note. Oh, they didn't leave a note. They didn't leave a note.
Make one.
Oh, I'm so soup.
Make one.
Thank you, whoever sent this. Thank you so much. Hold on, I'm about to try it on for y'all.
Hey! It's an X.
Y'all, it's the robe for me.
The next.
I love this so much.
You
You like my robe?
Yeah.
That was within the gray package.
That, yeah, and the fluffy one.
That's
Oh, this is so nice. Ain't this nice?
Yeah. I love you. I love it.
You love it?
Hi.
Say hey. All right, go lay down. Right? And it's like mermaid, almost like scales. This is so nice. Thank you so much for whoever sent this. I'm so jealous. Girl, don't be jealous. Uh-oh.
You read it to me. This is Mr. Cat. I
love my white shirt.
Okay. Let me hear you. Let's get it. Let me get my strap.
No.
Uh-oh.
Well, let's get it then.
I love my white shirt every day.
Oh.
All right, y'all. This one says, enjoy your gift. May God continue to bless you and Eli from the Ellison family. Y'all, so they got us this Lysol Power toilet bowl cleaner. So thank you so much. Somebody spamming the comments.
You want to go to bed?
Who's spamming the comments? Thank you from the Ellison family. If you're in the live, thank you so much.
You know what? Go to bed, because you acting up. And if you don't lay down, I'm going to get the strap. Lay down.
I'm about to block them.
You're not reading nothing else.
Hold on.
Acting up. Somebody spamming the comments?
I don't know who it is.
I'm not tired.
I don't care whether you're tired or not.
Can y'all mute that person? I'll find out who it is afterward. Not the strap, LOL. Yeah, Elijah's doing the most right now.
He being mannish.
I already know. He's supposed to have been in the bed. He was asleep when we got here. I don't know why he got up, thinking that everything was all fun and games. Thank you. Mute them or block them. Okay. Hi.
What? You need a little bit of this help you go to sleep? Huh? Well then, hush your mouth and lay down.
It says, wishing you and Eli the best on your journey. From Dinesha. Thank you, Dinesha.
What?
So this is a toilet wand.
Lay down.
Uh-oh. So it's a toilet wand, you guys, for the toilet.
We'll go use the bathroom and get back and lay down.
Elijah falls asleep any type of way. With the lights on, lights off, it's not going to matter. Whether I'm talking, whether I'm quiet, he's going to go to sleep. I don't need y'all in here trying to be his parent. I'm his only parent.
Mom,
Period.
Mom.
Yes, sir. Y'all, the cleaning videos.
I finished.
Come on. Thank you so much, Dinesha.
Mom, I finished. I finished.
Well, then get in here, lay down.
And I finished.
Well, then, what do you want me to do, Eli? Y'all, thank y'all so much. Ugh. I'm just like over the moon right now. Woo, that's heavy. We ready for them too. Elijah, let's go. Off the toilet. In the bed, sir. Nighty night. I love you. I love you.
Lay down.
She go to sleep.
If you lay down, you just being mannish.
I can't go.
And I have to make you be a kid again with this strap.
This says, enjoy your gift from Colin. Thank you, Colin. Let's see what he or she got.
Is it Colin? C-O-L-I-N?
Mm-mm. Y'all, it's a little a Christmas tree skirt. I put a little tiny Christmas tree on our wish list, so they got the Christmas tree skirt for it. I don't know how this thing is supposed to stick, but it's a little Christmas tree skirt. And then hold on, y'all. Oh my God! Thank you. Wait, who was this?
Colin?
Colin or Colin? Y'all, it's the Christmas tree for me. Oh my goodness. And it comes with like the little ornaments and stuff. Y'all, with the little skirt. Oh my goodness. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. This is so freaking cute and sweet. Thank you so much. Oh my God, we got a little Christmas tree. That's so dope. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Colin or Colin. That is so sweet. Yes, it's the little tree for me.
I want you to leave.
Oh, who are you telling you want to leave?
Probably me.
Oh, he got a bone to pick with you.
I want you to leave.
Now, bye. I don't gotta leave because you want me to.
I want you to leave. I want you to leave every day.
I ain't coming back either. No, so don't call me.
Yes, he's telling his grandmother his grandmother that he wants her to leave. Cause he can't get away with what he wants.
Nope.
Come on, I'm excited.
I'm coming to see you
Oh, wow. It's a lot of stuff in here. Hold on.
I'm gonna call you in the morning.
No, you're not calling me in the morning.
Yeah.
It says, enjoy your gift from
Yeah.
Shaquila. Shaquila. Hold on.
What are you
Enjoy your gift. One of your TikTok supporters, Pumpkin 388. May God bless you through your journey. Prayers are lifted. From Shaquila. Thank you, Shaquila. Thank you so much. Let's see what she got us.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Okay, she got us the microfiber cleaning cloth. Y'all, when I tell y'all these cleaning videos, oh my god. Y'all about to get tired of me cleaning everything. But thank you so much for this.
I don't like you.
I don't like you.
I don't like you.
Hey, be nice. Be nice, be nice.
I don't like you.
And then
I don't like you.
she got Eli the Nintendo Switch light case
No, you don't.
with all the gadgets and stuff in it.
No, I don't.
Hold on.
No. 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 No.
So this is what it looks like. Eli, you sound real mad back here. Thank you so much, Shaquila. Not finished yet. She still bought some more stuff. Another set of the microfiber cleaning cloths. Night. And she got Elijah these Picasso tiles as well.
I'm not watching.
Picasso.
This is my room. This is my room.
So thank you so much.
Our room. You can
Lay down.
This is our room.
So.
This is our room. This is our room.
Yeah, he's gonna love that. He's never had those before.
You're not coming in my car no more.
You're not getting my house no more.
You're not coming in my car no more.
You're not getting my house no more.
Stay in your house.
Thank you,
Yes, it is.
Shaquila. Thank you so much. Oh my God.
Yes,
Such a
it is.
blessing. Such a blessing.
Yes, it
You
is.
guys all are a blessing.
Yes.
So, oh.
Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me get myself situated over here. I got a lot of junk in front of me.
I put my hands around your foot.
I put my hands on your neck.
Ah! Your hands on you.
Oh yeah, I am hiding it. He don't see none of it.
Hands on you. You later.
I am
All right.
one down.
You later.
I am one down.
This the second to last one. Where's that fork?
They'll never hurt me.
Started getting hurt. Right over there. I don't care whether you're
Oh my God, she went all out.
Not Tyler.
Oh my goodness. So this is from Shaquila as well. It says, enjoy your gift.
I'm getting out of here. your hotel room when you get one.
So she also got Elijah this Sonic RC. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but she got him this too.
What is that?
Don't look. Don't look.
What is that? What is it?
My thing.
Lay down. And then she also got him this Sonic game for his little Nintendo Lite.
No, it was the boy. It was the boy.
Yo, thank you so much, because this kid is, oh my God, he's so blessed beyond measures. Like, she just went crazy for him. Thank you so much.
But write my name on it and say girls.
No, it said boy.
Girls.
No, boy.
It's a game for Nintendo Switch. All right, y'all, it's time for the big one.
With TV and bathroom in the stairs.
Did you buy this hotel room?
Yes.
Oh, it's heavy.
No, it didn't.
Yes, I do.
Hold on.
Yes, I do.
No, it didn't.
Yes, I do.
No, it didn't.
Yes, I do.
No, it didn't.
Yes, I do.
Elijah, lay down.
He said he bought this hotel room.
Elijah, you ain't even got a job.
With the TV in the bathroom.
No.
Oh, hold up. Yo,
Right there.
hold on. I can't open it. Hold on. Y'all. This was giving me so much trouble. Oh my God. Thank you, Jazz. Hold on. I gotta open it up. Y'all. Dang, why it gotta be in so many boxes? Y'all. Jazz was not playing. She did not come to play, okay? Y'all. I can't get out the box. Y'all. Jazz got me an air fryer, y'all.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
Oh, she ain't gonna play at all.
Thank you so much, Jazz. Oh my gosh. Y'all. When I tell y'all, I'm so sick right now. Hold on, I gotta open this up. I gotta open it up.
Play with that.
Y'all. Hold on. I gotta open it. Jazz. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
Jazz, that box was heavy.
Thank you so much. Like, you don't understand how this is about to get used, okay? This is like an oven and a microwave had a baby.
You stupid.
For real. I love it. Thank you so much. I love everything. But y'all, this is a game changer right here, okay? This is a game changer. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Yes, more cooking videos. I actually did one today, so y'all stay tuned for that. But girl, you just blessed me. Y'all all blessed me. But that was the last of the gifts, you guys, that we received. Oh my God. You don't understand, being a single mom, it's hard to, you know, get meals and stuff made. But when I tell y'all, having an air fryer come in clutch, it comes in clutch. Whew, thank you so much. Thank y'all so much. Thank you so much for everything. for everything. Thank y'all.
Get on the coat.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. My heart is pounding right now. I was raised by a single mom, girl. Hold on. So, girl, I love you. And you deserve it. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Everybody that sent something. Everybody that did anything. Followed me. Supported anything. Thank y'all so much. Can I see your pink Bible again? Mom, pass me the Bible.
Wait, give your mother her Bible right there.
Yes, thank y'all so much. Like, y'all understand. I was hoping that's what it was, the biggest one, because I have more packages on the way, but I don't know what they are. So I was hoping that's what it was, so I can show my gratitude for everything in this live, because like y'all just been blessing me. Like, I have no words. I have no words. None. But this is the Bible. Twiggy actually got me this Bible, and I'm just so grateful for it, because I didn't have a Bible. Yeah. And this stuff I had already showed y'all in a previous one, for the ones that didn't see it, but we had also got a can opener.
Why you hit me?
An electric can opener. And then we got this toothbrush holder as well. Yes, his Christmas list is with, oh, I got a paper cut. It's linked with our Amazon wish list. Y'all can find the link to everything in my bio. But I just want to say thank y'all, because, man, the blessings, it's an overflow of blessings just coming in each and every way. And I'm getting overwhelmed.
Wow. Woo, I love it.
But I just wanted to come and show my gratitude for everything that you all have done, and share with you guys a little bit of how God has been blessing me. I'm just so grateful. So grateful. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, son.
It has a cartoon on it. It has a cartoon on it.
Thank you. Yes, Jazz, DM me. I've been I don't think I DM'd you back. I saw your message, but so much going on. Like, you could either DM me here on TikTok, or you could DM me via Instagram. Passion Kim. Don't worry about it. Your support means a lot. Your support. Just watching my videos, sharing my content, commenting on my content. That's all support. You don't always have to send money or buy me anything. Your support, watching my watching my content. That's enough. That's enough. And tapping your screen. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank y'all so much. I'm so happy.
Happy or sad?
Oh my God, Jazz. Stop, Jazz. Talking about some. By the way, I'm not done shopping for you. Oh my God.
I didn't start it. You don't talk about
Come on now. Don't get me started. We got Auntie K in the background. Y'all want to get her started now. You want to get your hair done?
No.
Not you. Or you going to wait for tomorrow?
No, I'd rather get it done today.
You want to get it done?
If you got, no.
You'll wait.
You got to work in the morning.
Leah. Thank y'all so much. More blessings. Amen. I claim that. I received that. I just don't know what I'm going to do with this mess now, y'all. I got a mess everywhere.
So you ever put the boxes in the dumpster all the time?
Look at this mess.
No, what? I'm not dead.
That's because you're supposed to be laying your eyes down and looking at the back of your eyelids.
No.
Yes.
No. I was watching it.
Oh yeah, I am. I can't do it right now because they're in the box. He can't see them. But when he go to sleep, I'ma hide him.
In the bed. That's where you're supposed to be. Let's go. Not tonight, because you ain't watching it tonight. Lay down. Don't do that again. Didn't I tell you don't do that horn stuff?
So somebody got us ornaments the other day as well. I think I'm gonna do it on a video. I'm gonna set the tree up on a video. So Elijah can help decorate it.
I'm not sleeping with you.
I don't care.
So you get out my hotel room.
Hey, Elijah, don't call me tomorrow and talk about come get you. Hey, come. I'm going to leave.
Did he say get out my hotel room?
Yeah.
Y'all come get y'all nephew. Come get him. He telling my mom to get out his hotel room.
You like riding the school bus? Do you like riding the school bus?
No.
You don't?
No.
Why?
The way to school.
He don't want to go to school.
That is way too cute.
Huh?
Yeah, don't even got no job.
I just watched the show.
Yeah.
What's that show? I can't see that show.
Don't touch.
Y'all, it's this little tree for me.
Go sleep. Go sleep.
It says Eli Santa not gonna come. Be nice to grandma. You want Santa to bring you gifts? Then you gotta be nice. You can't be mean.
My sleigh is grounded this year. I ain't bringing him jack.
Uh-oh. Santa's watching, Eli.
I'm not giving you no present.
I'm
Uh-oh.
not giving you no present.
He said he'd give you no presents, Mom.
The Christmas. Santa wouldn't give me presents.
No,
That ain't gonna bring
Santa's
you
not
back.
gonna bring naughty kids presents, Eli.
That sleigh is grounded this year, homeboy.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, it ain't even grounded. It's going to all the other houses.
It's so
It's your
cute, right?
hotel room.
I gotta finish spreading out the branches, but it is, right?
Wow. Look, see? That's the Christmas tree.
That's the Christmas tree.
Wow. Nice.
And it came with all of this stuff, Eli. To put all the ornaments
I
on it.
want to put it on.
You wanna put it on?
Yeah. I think I'm gonna
Yep. And when it get closer to like Christmas, y'all, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree again, and I'm gonna get like the little, you know, little decor pieces and stuff, and I'm gonna decorate again.
You want to decorate?
Yes, it comes with a star and everything.
No.
With little bulls and a star.
Is the person talking about a bottom lip up there?
I don't know. Talking about waging war. Not tonight.
You're not spending
Yeah.
night with me.
All right, y'all. I'm about to get off of this. It's 12 o'clock. My baby got school in the morning and I gotta work.
And he being a brat.
Yeah, I gotta put this child to bed.
I don't like you.
So,
Oh, I don't like you.
I hate to end the live so soon. I wish I would have came earlier,
Don't talk
but
to me.
I know y'all gotta work in the morning too.
And why you smell like sheep?
So, I'll be back tomorrow though. I'll be back tomorrow. So, y'all all have a good night. I love y'all. Thank y'all again.